Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my frontal wig. So first of all, I'm going to put my mesh dome cap in the mannequin hair. Then I'm going to secure that with the T-pin. I'm going to bring my lace frontal and I'm going to secure that. You push the lace frontal a little bit forward, not in the same line as the mesh dome cap. Then you secure that with a T-pin too. You also secure the back and make sure that everything is in a straight line, like so that it won't have any bumps, so that your wig will come out very nice. I'll do that to the other side too. And after that, I'm going to braid down the frontal so that all the hairs, I'm going to remove it out of my way. And after doing that, this is what it should look like. And then I start sewing down my frontal. So first off, I start from the middle to the other side, then I come back and do the other side again. So I just sew down everything. As you can see, everything is in a straight line. I made sure that there is no bumps. You want to make sure that there is no bumps. If not, your lace frontal wig will start like loosening. Yeah, so I'll also sew down the other side of the lace frontal, as you guys can see. And yeah, after doing that, this is what it should look like. Then for this video, I'm going to use 3 bundles to make this wig. And first off, you want to take your C-pin and pass it through the lace frontal. Then you pass it through the weft of the bundle, and then you sew them together. Like, you guys should watch the video, you understand what I'm doing when you watch the video. So for the first sewing, you have to pass it through the weft, but when you're sewing, like after that, when you just keep sewing, you have to pass it under the weft. Guys, I really don't know how to explain, but if you're watching it right now, you understand what I'm saying. Just sew it under the weft. And I think this video is too fast, but I don't know, I don't want the video to be that long. So as you can see now, I'm passing it under the weft. Then I'm going to make a loop and then pass the pin through the loop. I do that to secure the hair so that like it won't start getting loose or something like that. Yeah, so just pass it under the weft, as you can see, then make a loop and pass everything through the loop. Then I keep sewing until I get to the other side of the frontal. So for this tutorial, I did the flip over method because I want to. Well, if you don't know how to do this flip over method, sorry, you can cut your weft. It's easier that way. So for this flip over method, I just like flip the hair, then I sew the part where I flipped to the frontal. Like the frontal, I sew it to the frontal. Oh god, please, my voiceovers are really weird because I find it hard to explain things in a very fast way. But yeah, just watch and you understand. Make sure that everything is like flat. The fold over method is kind of hard, but when you keep practicing, you understand what I'm saying. So after making everywhere flat, then you keep sewing like your normal. You go under the weft, take it out, and then make a loop and loop the hair through, loop the needle, Jesus Christ, through the thread. I really hope you guys understand what I'm saying. And when the thread is like done, this is how I like tie everything together, because you really don't want your thread to start getting loose. So yeah, just keep watching and you understand what I'm doing, hopefully. If you don't understand, watch it again. So right now, the first bundle is finished, and I'm showing you guys how I attach the second bundle and I keep making the hair. So that point where the first bundle is finished, I just bring out the second bundle, then I pass the needle through the weft. Whenever you're starting to sew a new weft, make sure you pass the needle through the weft, and then for the rest of the sewing, you pass the needle under the weft. I don't know how to explain this. And also make sure that when you're sewing, there is an elastic band, like the outer part of the hair, there's an elastic band. Make sure you don't sew through the elastic band, because if you do, your wig is not going to come out great. And also make sure you sew in the U shape, just like you're seeing right now. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I will sew the rest of the weft to the mesh dome cap, and I cut it. I did the cutting method for this one. So basically I'll secure it with the T-pin from from the first point to the other point. You guys understand what I'm saying? And then I just keep sewing, and then I cut it, then I start afresh. God, I hope you guys understand. But yeah, so at this point I'm just sewing everything, and right now it looks like you just need to put only one weft, but trust me, this is two wefts. You need two wefts to do this. So I'm just showing you guys, pass the needle through the weft, like you can see, because this is a new weft. Then for the rest of the sewing, you pass it under, like you're seeing now. I'm just passing it under the weft. Then I make a loop to secure everything together, like you can see, and then I just keep sewing. Then for the last weft, like the last weft, for the last weft, I'm going to okay, let's just keep watching. Then when it gets there, I'm going to tell you guys what to do. If you're not subscribed up to this extent, my dear, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for more videos. And so right now I'm going to do the last weft. For this last weft, you want to sew, like you want to pass the needle through the weft, like I said. Then you pass the needle again through the lace frontal, so that everything will be like, will look seamless and be secured together. Like everything will just, I don't know how to explain, but make sure the last weft, you're going to sew it to the frontal, so that they won't have any space, and nobody is just going to know it's a frontal wig, kind of. Well, people know, but just, you understand what I'm saying. Just make sure you sew the last weft and secure it with the frontal and sew everything together. Now after you do that, next thing you're going to do, I really hope you guys understand. Please, if you don't understand, watch the video again and again and again. You can slow down this video so that you understand what I'm doing. But after everything, you see how I'm securing, like I'm passing the needle through the thread. This to secure everything together. Then I cut it and like tie it, make a knot, like you guys saw. And after this, we are done with our wig. I just loosened the braids I made and combed everything. Then I'm just going to customize my wig. I just straightened it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I'm sorry I went away. Bye, love you.